Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone with the 2023 Honda CR-V. We are in the Sport Touring version, by the way. So, in case you're curious about this, we're going to go to Phone right here, and we're going to go to Connect New Device. That's the first thing we're going to do, and it's going to give you the instructions on the screen, as you can see right there. So I'm going to go into Bluetooth on my phone, and it's going to tell you down here to search for CR-V. Typically, it's going to be right down here at the very bottom, as it is. And then we're going to see that we have the pairing code right here. It's also on the phone, so we're going to hit pair. Notice I'm doing this wirelessly as well. No USB cable connected or anything like that. So we're going to keep going here with what we have now. It's going to ask if you want to pair Apple CarPlay or use Apple CarPlay. We're going to hit yes right there, and then we're going to hit connect, and it's going to take care of everything. Gives you a little message here as far as using CarPlay goes. We're going to enable it, so we do want to hit yes on that, and it's initializing. And there we go. We are there. This is a done deal. Now, one thing I do have to finish for this to work, it says use CarPlay on my phone. We're going to hit use CarPlay, and we're going to be set right there. Everything is taken care of, and we're ready to go with the phone. Here's one last thing here. We're going to use Honda Link Assist. We're going to hit yes on that. That doesn't really apply to the video necessarily. And that is how easy it is to pair your smartphone wirelessly. That's the good thing. So you don't need a USB cable anymore with the 2023 Honda CR-V. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.